Hello folks, this is Aitanaja from inspiredrise.com and today we are going to talk about the GigaByte GeForce GTX 1660 Super GPU. So guys, let's first start with the unboxing for the GigaByte GeForce GTX 1660 Gaming OC 6G GPU. This particular model comes with a wind force fan design, which means that the middle fan has an alternating spin. And let's first unbox this one to see what you get on the inside. So the first thing that you will see on the inside is the documentation for this card. You get the user manual, quick start guide, and you also get a CD driver for this one. And it's 2019, brands should stop piling CDs inside. And inside you also get the card, which comes with a very nice built-in design. You can see that the GigaByte logo on the top comes with RGB, and it also has nice port options. The back plate is metallic, and if you look closely, it comes with an 8-pin connector. This card has a total power draw of 125 watts. And if you look on the left hand side, there's the one HDMI port and along with 3 display ports for this one. In terms of connectivity options, the triple fan module does make sure that this card runs really cool if you're going to play for a really long duration of time. And apart from that, if we compare it to the original 1660 card, this one has 5 watt of additional TDP, and also it comes with a better memory clock compared to that card. So that card had a lower memory clock. It comes with 14,000 MHz of memory clock and has a higher 336 Gbps memory bandwidth, which means that this card in essence is 1.5 times faster than the original GTX 1660. As discussed before, the biggest change that came around is the addition of GDDR6 memory on this card. So this one comes with 6GB GDDR6 memory. We used an Intel Core i5-9400F and 16GB rig in order to test this card, and you can see all of the benchmark scores in front of you. We got particularly nice scores, and the conclusion that came out from all of this was that this card is perfectly capable for 1080p extreme gaming, and we tested it on a 1080p 165Hz refresh rate monitor, and the experience was really pleasant. This card has a clock speed of 1860 MHz, while the original card has a clock speed of 1785 MHz. So what that means is that it comes with a slight overclock right out of the box, and you can see all of the games that we played on this particular card. They ranged from a lot of different games like the Metro Exodus, Counter-Strike Global Offensive, Grand Theft Auto 5, PUBG, and a lot of other titles that we played on this particular card in order to find how hard can we push it. Now you can take a closer look at all of the graphs. On Assassin's Creed Odyssey, we got 68 FPS, 97 on Battlefield 5, and we got around 219 FPS average on CSGO. On Grand Theft Auto 5, 167 FPS average and 75 FPS average on Metro Exodus. On Apex Legends, we got around 108 FPS average, and on PUBG we got around 87 FPS average, and all of these games were being run on 1080p ultra settings. This GPU would retail for a price of around $229, and I think that it would be on a slightly higher side, around 18,000 rupees in India. Is also a new feature, nvidia's ultra low latency feature, which allows you to have much better latency while turning on VSync and playing games on your new 1660 Super card. This particular model has some added benefits, like it comes with triple wind force design, and I believe that the pricing would definitely be higher for this card, which might be one of its only cons. Apart from that, I felt that the built-in design and performance etc. was all good. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspired to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.